Okay. uh, we have a no regular day, but we need to start to very early in the morning because we need to put a concrete in the street, and we are in the rain season. So in the day, it's very common. It's raining in the day, so we can do that in the right way. Make this job. So we need to start too early. Today is wake up and more or less 4 in the morning, and the little town is more or less empty. For all the time I'm living here in Pátzcuaro, I never walking or driving in this time. So I have a little moments when the market start building. This is the road I make it. Ascensión Estanque in Nogales. All this area is more or less new because I make it last year, something like that. So this is good place, but sometimes we need to be careful. Some moments and sometimes because it's on the corner and that corner there we turn here, there are a little shop and the boys is coming for the marijuana or something like that. Okay, we are here. Jorge is coming, and another worker is coming. Is Patas. Buenos días, Patas. This is the place. We need to move all these machines, and we are start here. This is the area. This personnel is for the lab and checking the quality for concrete. If not have the right way, the truck is not take it. So this is every truck is like that. The lab take it. They check is the revenimiento. In this case, 10 centimeters.
Tiene 15 aquí, un poquito más de lo solicitado. Tú lo
Sí.
tendría que tener máximo 13.5.
¿Le decimos que espere tantito o qué?
Sí, pero sobre todo avisarle a la falda para que le baje un poquito.
Ajá.
¿Sería trabajable para ti con 13.5?
Sí, ahorita podemos nada más.
Hey.
El anterior venía mejor. Este chamaco, el otro también. Checking the quality of concrete. In this case, they taken this and it's okay. Okay, this is the problem. The weather is very bad. It start to raining again. We have a chance for cover the concrete, but it's not finished. So we have concrete here. We don't have no more half hours for using this truck. But what need to do?
Hay que abrirlo todo otra vez. No vaya. So they did the last pour of concrete yesterday, starting at 5 a.m. as usual on this contract. Okay. The rain's coming. Probably be here in another hour.
Es una semana más. Sí. Yo ahí tengo, allá allí, ¿no?
Here it is painted now. Aldo got a new machine. They had trouble getting it working properly at first. There wasn't any instructions. The instructions were in Chinese.
But this is the first time.
Yeah, it's the first time they used the machine.
But we are not understanding completing what we're working. Anyway, here is what it is. For first occasion, it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Like his workers were having trouble with it, and they were nervous, so Aldo did it. And now he comes back and sees the spots where it's crooked, and he's like, oh, man, damn. But, you know, what can you do? What can you do? There's some things I really like about this street, because there's this little corner down here, and it all feels very tucked away. Here they added all these steps in front of the houses that needed steps, because you can see from the way they patched in along the walls that when they do roads like this,
Like there are a party.
yeah, there's a party here.
It's when they're using this little machine, because it's like a hill,
Mm-hmm.
you lost the control.
It's hard to control.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
The problem is
I was just in the middle of something, so let me just finish this before I forget. So, like, when they do these kinds of streets, the level before they do it is usually a lot different from the level after they do it, because usually these streets have never properly been done before. So they have to patch along the sides everywhere they go, and sometimes the level of the doors like that door was probably already elevated, but the level can change quite a lot. So they have to put in adaptations so that people who used to have something at ground level have a new entrance for their houses. So it becomes part of the contract. Yeah, I just wanted to finish that because otherwise I was going to forget.
You can see this area for the parking,
Uh-huh.
garage.
Yeah.
All the time here, taking all
The-
our little part on the
Oh, they had a big ramp?
big ramp, and
Yeah.
now we are more or less. You can see really, but the cars can go inside easy.
Yeah.
But it's a new kind of design. I can explain here. This is the people that living in this home always say, no, it's no work. But it's work. Like here, this kind only the
Yeah. Yeah, you can walk across without having to walk on an angle. Yeah, and they smoothed it out. Yeah.
But it's different because here, after that, it's like that.
Yeah. Yeah. So they redid these doors in order to, and this is the one that what they decided to pay for it
Inside this,
because they wanted a particular way.
I'm working, I believe it's working very well.
Yeah, they looks quite pretty.
You can see the difference.
Uh-huh.
But all this, the town will pay more.
Oh, that's nice.
But if you don't waste take a time for this event, you don't do that. And
Yeah.
it's okay. Nobody's saying nothing.
But the streets in the town are, it's standard that they're all very narrow. And slopes like this are everywhere. And there's most streets you don't get anything close to this kind of consideration for people who are old or sick or little kids to try and make it safe for them to walk. And you know,
The same in this area.
you still have to deal with things like this, but yeah, they like these little details where they ground down the concrete so that you could see the stone texture underneath.
We are all the time using these areas for the disabled people.
Uh-huh. Yeah, again, another thing. It's pretty hard to be disabled in this town.
And this is the regular one. This is here.
Yeah, this is your classic tope
Yeah.
speed bump. It looks much more fancy.
Little more expensive.
Mm-hmm.
And all this. And we are using this card for the records for sound.
Uh-huh.
This line is another cut in the concrete because it's little long.
Oh yeah,
But
there had to
they
be another
get the sound on the
a cold joint. It said
This
something.
is a joint,
Yeah.
but it's when they open the garage, this area move at the same time
Oh.
because open on the both sides.
Oh.
If you don't do that, it can open
Oh.
inside.
Oh, it opens in. Oh, okay, okay. So you have to like
you can
you have to
do it
fold
like that,
up, right?
folding at the same time.
Okay.
Then it let it pass it.
Uh,
And look at the
classic.
classic. There's the donkey and the big one, and the donkey time.
certain things happen in this house which are not entirely legal.
Drug dealer.
Yes, well, that's the plain way to say it.
Look at them. Little one is very friendly one. All the time is coming and
Ah,
fast.
the two of them together,
Yes. ¿Cómo se llama? Yolanda, ¿no?
Yolandi y Tomas.
This is look at this. Yes. But ella viene siempre a la hora del almuerzo. Venía.
They kept the crew company all through the contract, visiting when it was breakfast.
But I like it more than the little one.
Yeah, they called it the cow.
Look like parece una vaca.
Yeah, because it looks like a cow. Little kids sometimes stare at me.
They have a curiosity about where you go.
Yes, this is a classic thing.
It's very
It's nice.
it's nice.
Yeah. 20 años. 20 años.
Okay. We need to go.
Uh-huh. Okay. So in another couple days, we'll take off the chains. They have a chain across here and up at the end. I don't know if you can see that. They had to chain it off. They welded the chain in place so that they could avoid people driving onto the street before the concrete was completely cured. And they'll take that off Tuesday. Ciao.